My first question to you is that being a petroleum energy by background, how do you identify solar as your first venture? Then I believe it was very right time. It was 2007 when you started. It was very right time to start solar. But then in 2019, you found another area, electric mobility, and then you founded Blue Smart. Again, you being one of the most strongest network, I would say, in the charging infrastructure, business. So how this timing worked for you? I mean, how did you identify this? That you found it twice the right areas. What was the secret behind this timing?
Thanks, Govind. Thanks for the question. And I think I've always believed, right from my college days, that any technology which is going to make the cost of any technological improvement which is going to make the cost of adoption of that technology lower and lower. Case in point, when I was at college, was the telecom industry, from 16 rupees a minute to literally free now. Where technology brings it to a certain level where it becomes a mass product, and when it becomes a mass product, you ride that complete wave. But you have to be slightly early to that business. You can't be the fifth player in the market. You have to typically be the first or the second player in the market to do that. I've been the only thing that I remember from my engineering days is the Moore's law and nothing else. So the Moore's law said that any business around silicon, you will, with every doubling of capacity, you will half the price. So that's what, in essence, what the Moore's law said. And solar was one business which was heavily dependent on Moore's law. Electric mobility is not dependent on Moore's law. There is no silicon which is involved over there, but lithium also tries to show the same characteristic as what silicon will show. So that's the reason that believed always that solar will be one day the cheapest form of electricity. Believe that, and it's already happened now, and believe that electric mobility will be the cheapest form of transportation, which is on its way. We are still not the cheapest, but it's okay. We'll be there in about 6 quarters, 8 quarters from now. So that's been the motivation. And yeah, so having graduated as a petroleum engineer only helped me to understand the fact that energy is extremely critical to the world. I think it's after food, perhaps the largest commodity that people consume. So energy is very important. It is very large scale businesses which have been set up. If you look at top companies in the world, they are primarily energy companies. But to do energy the right way was more important. And as a young little startup, I thought I could not go and disrupt the large incumbent oil and gas companies because of the huge balance sheet, etc., that they have. But if we made a new, fresh start to a sector where they are not believing at that time, I think there was a possibility for us to survive and actually grow big, which is what we did. And God was kind, and we were able to scale up, etc., and reach to the stage where we are.